The microfilm is in your ticket.
They're watching the north exit. Use the service tunnel.
According to this old sea chart, the Lost Island isn't myth. We must prepare an expedition immediately.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
Where were you on the night of the bubble bath?
I'm one with nature now.
Nature would prefer some personal space.
They left behind a ball today. It bounced higher than I can jump.
What manner of magic is that?